Hi guys, so just look at this set here guys. Okay, so it's a very good set, cat level set. It contains multiple parameters. For example, we have 7 persons here, 7 floors we have, 7 boxes they have, and also they like different colors. So 4 parameters, right? So a good level set. You can make arrangement and matrix kind of. Okay, so but while solving this kind of set, so basically few things we are covering, putting in mind here. Actually, the first thing is we read for such puzzles we read the conditions only once. Okay, we read the conditions only once. Correct. Second thing, we just jot down all the points. Just jot down all the points quickly and in a symbolic way. So quickly and in a symbolic way. Okay, and then start from the connecting points, right, which basically will appear maximum number of times or will occupy maximum number of places, right? So from there we started set. Okay, so these are the very important points we actually follow while solving any puzzle, because obviously let's say we have, for example, let's say we have 12 conditions here. So if we have got 12 conditions here, and if we read all the conditions one by one, okay, and we are searching for all the connecting points, and again we just, after reading 12 conditions, we jot down 2-3 points. Okay, then again the set is not solved, again we tend to read all those 12 conditions. Okay, so those 12 conditions we end up reading at least 3 times, and that becomes 36 conditions actually, right? That's why this is very important in a puzzle. We got to solve it in a very smooth way. Okay, so that's what we learned, right? So you can just try this set for 6 to 7 minutes. So this set, if you are good, you can solve within 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, otherwise you can just see the approach what I'm following here. Okay, just pause the videos guys, try this set for at least 6-7 minutes. Sure, let me just solve this set now. Okay, now, so basically we'll see here that we have got multiple parameters, right? So let me just quickly make a matrix kind of. So let's say we'll put the data for name. Okay, and we have got different floors also, right? Okay, so we have put the data for floors here. The first we'll put for floors, then we'll put the names, then we'll have the box shape, and then we'll have the colors. Okay, that's what we can do. Now let me quickly make a matrix here. One, two, three. This could be fourth one, then fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then sixth one, and then finally seventh one. Yes, that's what you can make. Now, so basically, let's have this. Okay. So now let's have all these floor numberings here. Okay, so my numberings will go like this. Floor number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now out of the 7 floors, what informations have been given here? Can you just have a look at this information, right? So the main thing is start from here actually. Okay, N, who likes black color, does not live on odd numbered floor. So just write this outside. Okay, so basically all the indirect points I'll put outside the cases and outside the table, and all the indirect points I'll put inside the table. So all direct points I'll put inside the table. So indirect points outside the table, direct points inside the table, right? And try to extract the points. Okay, so we'll learn all this meaning, right? So what I'm trying to tell you here. So see here, now N, who likes black color, does not live on odd floor. So N, who likes black color, okay, and he does not live on odd, that means N lives on even number floor. You can write this point here. Okay, so N lives on even number floor. Fine. let me use this. Okay, so n likes black color and n lives on an even numbered floor. Fine. Okay, you can just see this. So n is here, n who likes black color, so I can write here that n likes black color. Okay, n who likes black color does not live on odd floor, that means n lives on even floor. Okay, S does not live on first floor and does not like red and pink color. So just mark this here, guys, that S does not live on first floor. I just put a cross here that S is not on the first floor, and S I can write here that S doesn't like red or pink. So S doesn't like red, S doesn't like pink. Okay, so just write all the indirect points outside the table. Okay, now just see this at how I'm solving this at here. Okay, now the one who like yellow color lives on even number floor. So yellow and even, there's a combination, right? So I can just put here we have a combination for yellow and even. Fine. Then the one who lives on the first floor has conical shaped box, and the one who has a spherical shaped box lives on odd number floor. Again, I can put it out this data outside, that is spherical shape, and that is an odd. He lives on odd number floor, and first floor conical shape. So I can just put here direct. This is the direct information, right? So I just put inside a table here first floor conical box. Fine. Now let's move forward. The one who lives just above n's floor likes green color. So I can just put here that the data, just a person living just above n likes green color. Okay, just write this data here. Okay, so it just likes green color. So n and green are immediately like up and down. Okay, the two persons lives between q and m's floor. So I'll just mark here, guys. So two person lives between q and m's floor. Okay, there's a gap of 2 here. I don't know who is above or who is below, so I'll just put this swapping arrow that q can be above or q can be down also. Okay, r has oval shaped box and lives on floor which is immediately above m. So now there's a connecting point with m. I can just put here, right? So r has basically oval color box. So with connecting, this is with connecting point with m here. Okay, so just above m, r lives, and r has got oval color box, oval shaped box. Okay, and m who does not live on an odd number floor, that means m here lives on an even number floor. So m lives on an even number floor. Okay, and r is immediately above m. So we're done with this point here. Okay, all good. Now we can also write here r does not like pink color. You can just put a cross here that r does not like pink color. So r does not like pink color. Okay, now let's move forward, guys. P lives neither on the first floor nor on the fourth floor. So P lives neither, let's put a cross here. P lives neither on the first floor nor on the fourth floor. I can put a cross here. This is the direct information. You can put it in the table. Okay, wherever I can mark it in the table, I'll mark in the table. Fine. Now, the one who lives just below r's floor has heart-shaped box. Okay, so one who lives just below r's floor has got heart-shaped box. So m is just below r, and m has got heart-shaped box. Fine. So again, so you can just put this data here. Okay. Now, after that, and the one who has cuboid shaped box lives below p floor. So P and cuboid will be together. So somewhere below. I don't know exactly, right? I can just write that some cuboid is somewhere below P. Don't know exactly where. Okay. 3 persons live between S who has pyramid shaped box and R. Okay. So between R and S there are 3 persons. I can just write here that S has got pyramid shaped box. Okay. And 3 persons live 1, 2, 3 between R and S, and again R and S can interchange the position here. Fine. The one who has heart shaped box likes peach color, that is M, right? So M will like heart shaped box and peach color. So basically, if I see this data here, so my attacking point will be in one way I can attack this M actually. Okay, again, I'll just see that I can attack this M. Why you can attack this M? Because M, we know all the data. M is on even number floor, heart shaped box, peach color. Then M2 above is Q, and then we also have M just above R and R3 above S. So many connecting points with M, right? So let's try to analyze M here. Okay. Now if I try to analyze M here, guys, so let me just try to put M. So can I put M here? So M is on even number floor, right? So let's try to put M here. Can I put M at 6th floor? If I put M at 6th floor, then R is just above M. Done. R is just above M. Okay. Now S is between R and S is a gap of 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So R will be here. Sorry, S will be here. So I just put S here, right? I'll put S here. And then I'll observe that between Q and M there's a gap of 2. So now Q cannot be above M. So 1 and 2 is a gap of Q. Now Q has to come here, but it's already S here. That means M at 6th is gone. Okay. M at 6 is not possible because Q and S coincides. Okay, so M at 6 is not possible. Fine. Let's try to put. Can I put M is at 4? If I try to put M at 4, what will happen in this case now? Again, M and then immediately above is R. Okay, so MR, then after R, between R and S we have a gap of 3. So 1, 2, 3, I'll put S here. Okay. But I can't put S here because already I put S cross on the first floor. S cannot be on the first floor, right? That means again this M is also not valid, right? That means for sure, because M is even, M has to be on the second floor. That's the first win for us, right? So that's how we analyze it. Okay, very important to that you read the condition only once, and then you're completely eye focused on all the points here. Now because I'll put M even here. So I put M even, and now M is on even, M was an even number floor, that is second floor. M box shape is heart shape. So I put here heart shape, and M likes peach color. Now R, so above R, above M, I'll put R. R likes oval shaped box, and R doesn't like pink color. I'll just put a cross here. Put a cross at pink. Okay. Now that means this point is completely done. I just cross this point here. This point is done for me. So I'll not read this again. I'll not get confused, right? Okay. Now if I move further, between R and S, there's a gap of 3 I can see here. So I just put R here and 1, 2, 3. So I can put S at 7 now. If I put S at 7, S likes pyramid. So S likes pyramid color, right? So what I'll do again now, I'll just put a cross here. S like pyramid. Fine. So again that I'll just put a cross at this point. This point is also done. Okay. So S likes pyramid, done. Fine. Now after that I see here between M and there's again connecting point with M, right? Again M with Q. Just cross this point, and between M and Q gap of 2. So 1, 2. So Q should be here at 5. Between M and Q there's a gap of 2. Fine. Now we don't have any data here. Okay, that's fine. Now if I try to observe again, guys, so which point basically will favor me here? Okay, so now you can see here that N is black and N is even. So we have got two places here for even, 4 and 6. So not too sure. So again we can leave it, but we can see here that one black will be even, one yellow will be even. We can see quite easily this. Okay, so now again one more point you can cross here is S doesn't like red, S doesn't like pink. You just cross this point here and write here S doesn't like red and S doesn't like pink. Okay, try to put maximum in the table. It avoids confusion in the end. Okay, now if I try to put this point, guys, that cuboid is somewhere below P. So cuboid is somewhere below P. That means we have got P cannot be at the first place, already a cross here. P cannot be at the fourth place, already a cross here. That means P has to be at 6th. If P has to be at 6th, okay, and cuboid is somewhere below P. So we need to understand that cuboid can be at this Q at some below position, that is at 5 or 4. But we see that again we have a spherical odd, and now I have got only one odd place here, that is 5. Okay, So only spherical odd can be used here. So in the 5, I'll put Q is spherical. I'll put here that comes at odd places, right? So below P it is cuboid. So let's put a cross here now, and the cuboid can only be at 4th place, right? So cuboid can only be at 4th place. Okay. Now I got to this point. I got to put this point here, guys. Now basically I see that every point is crossed right now, and we have got only n is at black. N likes black color and even number. So n even can only be 4, right? So n even can only be 4. I'll put n here. N even. That's it, right? N likes black color. I'll put black also. Fine. Also, I'll see that above n it is green. So above n is Q, and Q should like green color. Again, I'll put up. So again, I'll just cross this point. Fine. So once I've done this job, right? So now I'll see that whatever information we have, okay. So now what points are not crossed actually? So every point is crossed except this yellow and even. So I got to use this point here, yellow and even. So I think yellow and even is only possible at 6, nothing else, right? So yellow is all filled, so I can just put yellow here. So yellow and even, sorry, I think the shape is, this is a shape, right? So I'll put yellow and even at 6. So let me just put here yellow. And then I can put a cross at this point, right? That means we have just used every information here. Now, obviously the person who is left out here is O. So I'll fill O here. Okay, done. Now the box shape which is left out here is hard, cuboid, conical, cylindrical. So I'll put cylindrical here. That means my 2 columns are done. Okay, now I'll move to third one, okay, colors. Now obviously, if I see that, I see a cross at pink cross at 7, a pink cross at 3rd. That means only position available for pink is the first one. Okay, now again put a cross, pink we have done here. The 7th one cannot be red. That means 3rd one can be red. Nice, so we got it also. So now which is left, guys? So which color is left now? So now I think brown color is left. Okay, so brown color is left here. So I just put a brown, and hence my set is solved. Okay, I can answer all the questions in the previous slide. Getting it right. So that's a very correct way and a smooth way to solve any multiple parameters puzzles or any arrangement questions, right? So in the coming videos, we'll see about how to solve those puzzles also. Okay, thank you.